Hi guys, are you interested to earn money online only by clicking mouse? And most of the task is only going to take you 5 minutes or less. And if you are interested to make money just like all these people are making right now, so you might want to stick with me until the end of this video, as I'm going to reveal to you everything that you need to start make your first dollar with this website. Alright, before we dive right into our website, so if you new to my channel, my name is Zaidi Mustafa. Welcome to my channel, and I upload on daily basis. And if you want to learn more and want more video on how to make money online, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, as that way you will get notified whenever I come out with my new video. Alright, so let's dive right into our content. So the website that I'm going to be sharing with you and allow you to make money online is called Microworkers. Okay, so land over to microworkers.com, and if you haven't get your account signed up, just simply click the register button here, and you are going to head over to this page. Okay, so simply fill in your details: first name, middle name, company, your password, email, and etc. Then you are good to go. Choose your country and click the submit button. I already had registered with Microworkers, and then I'm going to click log in now. So right away I'm going to land over to this page. Is going to take a few seconds. Okay, this is what Microworker page is look like, right? So on the job tab, so this is the several different job that available right now that you can complete. So before that, I just want to walk you through the entire website here. So there is a most paying job. So if you want to see most paying job, just click on the most paying tab here, and they're going to appear all the highest paying from the top paying, from the highest paying, as descending until the least paying job, right? So, and also it has several different tabs also here. So Google, if you interested to work with Google, completing like sign up for Gmail account, etc., you can click over here, and as well as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So I just want to show you up. So let's click on the YouTube. So all the type of job appear here is regarding on YouTube, right? So YouTube sign up, download, and YouTube video comment, you're going to earn 11 cents, and YouTube comment 9 cents, and etc. So I just simply going to click at all jobs here, just to show you some rough idea here, right? So I'm going to click on the latest, because I just want to show you some example as well. So I'm not going to choose the most paying, as most paying job is going to require at least 10 minutes and above. So I just want to give you some example. You want to show example what the job will look like. Okay, so let's click over this create an account, Gmail account, and you're going to earn like 8 cents, right? So once you click that link, you're going to head over to this page. So work done, 36 out of 50, so it still has 14 job available. So you're going to earn like 8 cents. So you're going to it's going to require you 10 minutes, right? So this is the instruction. So you have to follow the instruction well, otherwise your job is not going to approve, and you're just going to wasting a lot of time. So once you read all the instruction, and if you think that you're able to complete this task, and just simply click the I accept this job, and then it's going to appear this box. Then you can provide all the detail or the information of the job after you finish the job. So that's it. That's pretty much it, right? So that's it, guys. I think if you are really interested to make money, to make some supplemental income from Microworkers, this is the great opportunity to have. And of course, you're going to trading time for money here. Right, so there's a lot of job, small job. Maybe you're going to earn like $2 for a couple of hours, but again, who's going to pay you even 50 cents or even $1 to complete it, to like typing on iPhone, you know, sign up for Gmail account and etc. So if you have some spare time, I think this is the best way on how to make some extra cash online. So before I forgot, click the withdraw button. This is how you're going to withdraw your money. So as you can see here, payment on hold because I only have $1 on my account. If I'm not mistaken, they're going to require you at least $9. Right? You can place a withdrawal request if your balance is over $9. So I still need another $8 in order to make a request. So however, for Pioneer, if you are using Pioneer, you need to have a balance of $20, right? So beside Pioneer, you also can use Moneyworkers Skrill. I think this one is only available for US citizen and also PayPal. This is worldwide. So just key in your amount that you want to withdraw, key in your email here, password, and just submit request here. Right? So guys, I think that is pretty much it. If you are interested to work with this website, just land over to microworkers.com and get registered, and you can start earning your first dollar online, right? So all the job is doesn't require any any technical skill or any experience prior. So I wish to you good luck and enjoy with microworkers.com. Okay, so before I end this video, if you got some value throughout my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification, as that way you'll not miss any content I upload on daily basis. Alright, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.